Hello students. Today we are going to learn about sounds of animals and birds. So now look at these pictures and put your finger on the pictures and speak after ma'am. So this picture is dog. The dog barks. The dog barks. And this is cat. The cat meows. The cat meows. And this is duck. This is duck. The duck quacks. The duck quacks. And this is donkey. The donkey brays. The donkey brays. And this is crow. This is crow. The crow quacks. The crow quacks. And this is cow. So the cow moves. The cow moves. And this is horse. The horse knees. The horse knees. And monkey. Yes. The monkey chatters. The monkey chatters. And this is lion. The lion roars. The lion roars. So everybody speak out and learn it. So thank you children.